Hi, everybody. So, today I want to focus on this belief that community has to have plenty of content. So, let me give you a different perspective. Community is not content. Yes, content can support a community, content can teach, content can start a conversation, but content is not the same as belonging. You can post consistently and still have a quiet group. You can share brilliant ideas with your group and still feel like people are hovering at the edge. You can create resources, prompts, and lessons and still not have a space where people feel connected to each other. And that is because community needs more than information. It needs a reason to gather. It needs a core conversation. It needs rhythm. It needs invitations. It needs safety. It needs a member to member connection. And it also needs the host to shift from simply delivering information to actually hosting interaction. That shift can be small. It might be taking one content idea and turning it into a question. It might be that you just need to rewrite your welcome message. It might be that you need to create a weekly schedule, a weekly ritual. It might be inviting two people to connect directly. It might be asking, what kind of participation am I actually inviting here? That is the kind of work we practice. And I emphasize the word practice because this container, it's not a more content container, more information container. It's a practice field. And we call it the Community Building Lab. This is not like a big content strategy course. I just want to make that clear. It's not a content strategy course. It is live, it's practical, it's a practical space where we look at your real community or your ideal community and test small changes. If your community has content but not yet much connection, this might be for you. The founding round is now open. So have a look in the show notes below for the link for a small conversation with me to see your vision for your community.